If you're a man over 40, have you noticed that your energy isn't what it used to be? Maybe you're struggling to recover after workouts, feeling achy, or just not as sharp mentally. Here's the truth. A lot of guys think it's just aging, but in reality, many of these issues come down to one thing: a hidden vitamin deficiency that I see over and over again. Today, I'm going to break down the number one vitamin deficiency I see in men over 40, why it matters, and most importantly, what you can do to fix it. So let's dive in. Tired all the time? Sore muscles? Mood swings? This deficiency could be the hidden culprit. The vitamin I'm talking about is vitamin D. Now, I know what you're thinking. Vitamin D? Isn't that just bones? Nope. It's so much more than that. Vitamin D acts more like a hormone than a vitamin. It plays a role in your immune system, testosterone production, muscle strength, and even mood regulation. And here's the kicker. Studies show that up to 40 to 50% of men over 40 are deficient. Why? Because as we age, our skin gets less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. We spend more time indoors, and modern diets, they just don't provide much of it. Think low vitamin D just makes your bones weaker? Think again. Here's what I see when men come in deficient in vitamin D. Low energy and fatigue, even after a full night's sleep. Muscle weakness and joint pain. Recovery takes longer. Workouts feel harder. Mood changes. More irritability. Higher risk of depression. Low testosterone. Yes, vitamin D plays a role in hormone production. A weaker immune system. More frequent colds or infections. And long-term, low vitamin D is linked to higher risks of heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. This isn't just about feeling tired. It's about long-term health and vitality. Here's the reason you can't just eat better and solve this deficiency. Men over 40 face a perfect storm for vitamin D deficiency. Less sunlight exposure, busy jobs, more time indoors, and declining skin efficiency. Your skin just doesn't produce vitamin D as well as it did in your 20s. Your gut absorption changes. Digestive efficiency slows down, impacting nutrient absorption. More body fat. Vitamin D is fat soluble, meaning it can get trapped in fat tissues and not used properly. So even if you're eating well, you might still be running low. Here's the simple test most men never ask for, but should. The best way to know is a simple blood test called 25-hydroxyvitamin D. Most labs will report anything above 30 nanograms per mil as normal. But for optimal health, energy, and testosterone, I like to see men between 40 to 60 nanograms per mil. If you're under 30, you're definitely deficient. If you're under 20, you need to take action immediately. The fix is simple, but only if you do it right. Here are my pharmacist-backed steps to fixing low vitamin D. Get tested first. Don't just guess. Supplement smartly. Most men over 40 need about 1,000 to 2,000 international units per day. But if you're very low, your doctor may recommend more temporarily. Take it with fat. Vitamin D is fat soluble, so pair it with a meal containing healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Combine vitamin K2 and magnesium with your vitamin D. K2 helps direct calcium into your bones, not your arteries, and magnesium helps your body activate vitamin D. Don't overdo it. More is not always better. Extremely high doses can cause kidney and heart problems, so stick to tested, safe ranges. Knowing you're low is one thing. Fixing it is where your future self thanks you. So here's your game plan if you're a man over 40. Ask your doctor for a vitamin D blood test. Supplement daily with the right dose for your needs. Pair it with K2 and magnesium for best results. Retest after 2 to 3 months to make sure you're in the optimal range. Remember, vitamin D is not just about bones. It's about energy, strength, hormones, immunity, and longevity. Fixing this deficiency could literally change how you feel every single day. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's feeling run down. You might just change his life. I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.